no other than Lala Chan! Lala Chan is a 5-year-old pink squirrel. She loves to eat strawberries and she came a long way from Japan just to visit us here. So come on kids! Lala Chan is inviting you all to join our Lala Chan parade! Alright Lala Chan, say hi to the kids here at the sand area. Hello kids! Okay, come on kids, let's follow Lala Chan! Alright! Okay, Lala Chan, say hello to the kids here at the sand area. Hello! Okay, and now Lala Chan, say hi to the kids as well as to the kindergartners here at the sand area. Hello! Say hello, hi! Okay, come on Lala Chan! Okay, let's go kids, let's follow Lala Chan! Okay! Alright! And now Lala Chan, say hi to the kids here as well as to the parents and guardians at the cyberview and counter area. Hello po! Alright! Okay, Lala Chan! Say hello to the kids here at the toy corner area! Hi! Okay, come on! Lala Chan is inviting you all! Okay! Alright! And now, kids, Lala Chan is inviting you all to gather here at our event area for this afternoon's sports and action activities called the Dance of Love. Okay, kids, come on! There's an amazing surprise that awaits you both. Kids, we will join. Okay, come on, kids, don't worry, it's all free. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hi kids! Hello kids! Hello! Okay, bago tayo magsimula, magpapakilala po muna kami. Ako po si Ate Lani at ako po ang magiging host ninyo ngayong hapon at makakasama din natin kids sina Ate Jennifer. Say hi to Ate Jennifer. Hello! Ate Mary Joy. Say hi to Ate Joy kids. Hi! Okay, at syempre, sino nga ba itong kasama natin na napakakulit na cute na itong squirrel? Walang iba kung hindi si Lala Chan! Say hi to Lala Chan kids. Hello! Okay kids. Alright kids, taas ang kamay! Taas ang kamay! Okay, arms sideward! Arms sideward! Okay, arms forward! Forward and down! Okay, sabay lahat ng kamay. Kasi kids, may sinasabi sa akin si Lala Chan. Ang sabi niya, gusto niya rin kayo makasama sa pagsaya. Walang hapon saya. Ate Mary Joy, music please! Okay, kids, sayahin natin si Lala Chan, ha? Okay, march! Let's all march, come on, higher! Don't be shy! Very good! Okay, good job, kids! Shake, okay? To the other side, and one more time. That's right, and shake again. Okay, turn around. Very good. Okay, kailangan natin si Lala, kids. And shake. Come on, let's go dance. Don't be shy. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's try and shake. Let's make a strong first and shake. And roll, roll, and roll, and roll, and very good job. Okay. Come on, kids, good job. Okay. One more time. And shake again and jump. Okay, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Okay, kids, okay naman tayong lahat. Okay, please take a seat. Okay, kasi habang nakaupo po tayo, ipapakita po sa atin nina Ate Joy at Ate Jennifer kung paano first round. Si Ate Jen, tama! Pero Ate Jennifer, huwag kang malungkot dahil may chance ka pa bumalik. Ngayon, hinila ng buong lakas ni Ate Jennifer ang ribbon at napunta sa kanya ngayon ay pulang ribbon. Kids, ang tanong, sinong nanalo sa second round? Si Ate Jennifer, very good. So, ganun lang kadali. Laruin ng ating laro ngayon hapon. Ngayon, kids, hahatingin namin kayo sa dalawang grupo. Kung sino ang grupo na makakakuha ng dalawang puntos, siya ang mananalo because our team is composed of 3 rounds, okay? And this team, this will serve as a mark, okay? Pero bago ang lahat, kids, may munting paalala si Lalo Chan para sa ating lahat. Ano yung Lala Chan? Ang sabi ni Lala Chan, kung maglalaro daw tayo, bawal daw ang mag-tulakan. Ano ba Lala Chan? Bawal daw ang mag-sipaan, okay, no kicking, at higit sa lahat, bawal ang mag-away. Okay, dapat happy lang tayo at i-enjoy ang laro. Okay, kids! Tayo ulit tayo lahat. Ayan. Okay, tayo. Tapos go tayo na dalawang grupo. Okay? Make 2 lines. Okay? Make 2 straight lines. Ang isang grupo ay mapupunta sa grupo ni Ate Jennifer at ang natitirang grupo ay grupo ni Ate Mary Joy. Okay, kids, arms forward. Arms forward. Ayan. Itagayan mo ang isa. Likas ng nasa harap natin. Okay. Arms forward ng kids. Wala na ng pababa. Ayan. Very good. Okay. Baba na ang kamay, kids. Okay. Arms down. Okay. Baba na ang kamay. Ayan. Okay. Ate Mary Joy, ilan po yung participants natin? 6. Okay. Si Ate Jennifer. I know 6 participants. What about Ate Joy? 6 decimals on the dragon natin. Dati na tayo nagsimula. Pero bago yan, nanakaalis halina kids. Arms forward. Arms forward ulit. Ayan. Tapos sunod tayo kay Ate Jennifer. Okay, sunod tayo kay Ate Mary Joy. Kung saan nila kayo ay lalagay na position. Okay? Ayan, walang limit ang sa linya, kids. Very good. Okay. Kung nakalinya na, baba na ang kamay. Very good. Okay. Pwede na tayo lumawak sa lubid. Ayan, hawak na sa lubid lahat. Okay. Okay, guys, ang position kung saan kayo mas komportable sa pagpila mamaya. Alright, kids! Come on! Okay, bago tayo magsimula, tanungin muna natin ang team ni Ate Jennifer kung ano ang pangalan ng team nila. Team Malakas! Okay! What about Ate Mary Joy? Anong team name pa ninyo? Maganda! Okay! So, Team Malakas! Ready na ba ang Team Malakas? Okay! What about Team Maganda? Ano? Ready na ba po kayo? Ay, wala nang manilig si na ate again. Ready na ba ang Team Maganda? Yes! Okay! Dahil dyan, pwede na natin simulan ang round 1 in 3, 2, 1. Hila! Champion! 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 12, 11, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, ikaw lang, kids. Alright, stop na yan. Okay, tayo na sa lubid. Di tayo sa lubid, kids. Okay, salamat na yung kamay. Okay, baba. Di tayo sa lubid. Very good. Kids! Sa round 1, ang nanalo! Malaking bako natin ang team maganda ng tatlong palakpak and a good job sign, okay? O sabay-sabay. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job! Okay, kids! Balik tayo lahat dito. Ayan, sa harap ni Lala Chan. Ayan, eyes forward, kids. Kids, eyes forward. Eyes sideward. Mag-starting po tayo lahat. Hiwa-hiwalay. Ayan, eyes sideward. Hiwa-hiwalay lahat. Tapos, eyes down. Okay, baba na yung mga kamay. Okay, kids, kasi may binubulong sa akin si Lala Chan. Ang sabi niya, gusto niya rin ulit na makasama kayo sa Patsay Out. Kaya aking manager, music please. Okay, kayahin ulit natin si Lala Chan. Very good. Okay. And jump, jump and march and clap. Okay. March again and clap. Jump, jump and march and clap. Come on and dance. Let's lead you first. Okay. Okay, shake your hands, shake your hands and swing. Very good, put your hands to your shoulders and on your head and jump. Okay, swing to the right and left. Make a big circle. I want big circle and make a fish. Wow, very good. And march and jump. Straight to the right and left. Okay, kayahin si Lala Chan. Turn to the right and turn to the left. Very good. Turn around, turn around. And jump, jump and march and look out, don't be shy. Let's all dance. Okay. March and clap and sing. Very good at making pose. That's right. Okay, and jump. Okay, kids. Prepare na tayong lahat, please. Ayan, please take a seat. Okay, kids. Kasi may munting surprise si Lala Chan at ang Rose Eventing para sa inyong lahat. Dahil ang gagaling niya daw sumayaw at ang lalakas niya sa ating game. Ngayon, kids, nagbibilang tayo ng tatlo. Okay, taas natin ang kanang kamay natin. Tapos, pagkatapos natin nagbilang at pagkatapos ng buksan, bawal tumayo ha, walang tatayo. Upo lang tayong lahat, okay? Taas ang kanang kamay. Bilang tayo yan, 3, 2, 1. 1, sabay-sabay. 2, 3, open please. Walang walang tatayo. Taas lang ang kanang kamay. Kasi lahat na nakataas ang kamay ay makakatanggap ng gift ng Lala Chan and event team. Alright, very good. Ayan. So lahat meron ng gift. Ito ate, ayan. Okay, kids! May sasabihin si Ate Lani, kids. Hi! Hello! Hep, hep! Hey! Okay, kids! Magpapapicture tayo together with Lala Chan. Mamaya, when I shout Kitsuna, you will shout hooray! Tapos tataas niyo yung balloons ninyo. Tingin kayo dito sa camera, okay? Again, kids, pag sinabi ni Ate Lana na Kitsuna, anong sasabihin nyo? Hooray! Tapos tataas yung balloons, tingin sa camera, ha? Okay, so our parents and guardians po, please prepare your camera for group picture together with Lala Chan. Okay, kids? In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna!